This is Galaxy A6 and this is Galaxy A6 Plus. Samsung has just announced two new mid-range smartphones, the Galaxy A6 and the Galaxy A6 Plus, that bring many flagship features into the mid-range price segment. But are these phones really worth your penny? Let's find out. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. I must admit the phone looks really premium, especially when you hold them. The two phones not only bring Super AMOLED display to a much lower price bracket, but also feature a new 18:5:9 aspect ratio and a near bezel-less displays. The Galaxy A6 and the Galaxy A6 Plus also carry forward the Samsung Galaxy S9's color scheme, although it ditches the ultra premium glass finish in favor of a metal build, which is not a bad thing. So let's check them out one by one. The smaller of the two phones, the Samsung Galaxy A6, comes with an HD Plus display, which is Super AMOLED 720x1480p with a new aspect ratio of 18:5:9. I think this year all the phones are coming with this aspect ratio. Powering the Galaxy A6 is an octa-core Exynos 7870, Samsung's own chipset, clocked at 1.6 GHz and either 3GB or 4GB of RAM, depending on what variant you choose to buy. Accordingly, the smartphone will be coming with 32GB and 64GB of built-in storage. On the back, it has only one camera with dual-tone flash. The resolution on the camera is 16 megapixel and the lens has an aperture of f1.7. The front-facing camera has same resolution 16 megapixel but a slightly smaller f1.9 aperture. The smartphone is backed by a 3000 mAh battery which supports fast charging. Now moving on to the bigger of the two phones, the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus features a 6.1-inch Super AMOLED display offering a full HD Plus resolution of 1080x2220p display. Interestingly, Samsung has chosen to go with Snapdragon 450 processor, which is clocked at 1.8 GHz. Just like the A6, A6 Plus comes in 3GB, 32GB and 4GB, 64GB RAM storage variants. But unlike the smaller phone, it offers a much better imaging experience. The two cameras on the back are not the typical dual camera setup we have seen in the Galaxy flagships, as a primary camera has a 16 megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture, while the secondary sensor has a resolution of 5 megapixel with an aperture of f1.9. The front-facing camera spits out image with a 24 megapixel resolution shot through an aperture of 1.9. There is also a bigger 3500 mAh battery on Galaxy A6 Plus. Now taking some design cues from the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, the fingerprint sensor is rear mounted just under the camera lens, which is quite appropriate. Now let's come to the most important part, the pricing. The smaller version, the Galaxy A6, comes at $340 or 1249 AED in UAE. The bigger version, A6 Plus, comes for $400 1449 AED in UAE. With the competition rising high on mid-range smartphone segment, why should you buy any of these two? Now here are some of the reasons. Super AMOLED screen. If I'm not wrong, I think this is the first time a mid-ranger has a Super AMOLED screen, and Samsung surely knows how to make the best screen quality. An introduction of Super AMOLED screen is a big plus, especially for media consumption. Dolby Atmos speaker setup is also a bonus, as it will enhance the media consumption with the cinematic sound effects. Also, the front and the side speaker placement is quite decent. Both the phones will be running Samsung Experience UI 9 based on Android 8. Also, both of them will have Bixby enabled. I have to also mention about the fingerprint scanner location could not have been better and convenient. Now, one of the most important deciding factor are the cameras, especially for a mid-ranger, and Samsung surely knows how to make one of the best smartphone cameras. The cameras looks promising, especially for the Plus variant with the bokeh effect on both front and back. Also has a dedicated LED flash in the 25 megapixel front camera. In my hands-on experience, the pictures which I took were quite decent with a lot of details. details, but I need to test the cameras before giving a final verdict. So these were the pros, but it also has some cons, which I have to mention. It is quite strange that Samsung is still using the micro USB port, which is quite dated to be honest, in 2018. The lack of LED notification light is also a big minus. No 4K recording. There are a lot of mid-rangers nowadays which are giving 4K recording options like the Xiaomi devices, and Samsung would have done wonderful with adding this option. The processor, Snapdragon 450, it's not a deal breaker, but it's not something which is groundbreaking also, especially in 2018. The performance of Snapdragon 450 is just mediocre. Samsung could have gone for Snapdragon 660 or even their own Exynos advanced chipset. Also the pricing, I mean, if you look at Galaxy A6, they should have kept the price around $300 or $299, which would have been a good deal. But keeping the price tag $340 for the smaller version and the bigger variant around $400 is a bit too high. This is what I feel, especially when you compare with the competition around. Also, let's take a moment to look at the color variant it comes in. So the Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus comes in 4 colors. There is black, gold, blue and lavender. In my hands-on experience, I was not able to see the lavender color, but I saw the black, the gold and the blue color, and I quite like the blue one, but my favorite is the black color. For some reason, it reminded me of HTC M7 black color option. Let me know in the comments which color you like. So guys, both the phones are available in most of the market around the world. Also, I have given some links in the description below. You can buy it from Amazon. So guys, this was my hands-on experience and first initial impressions. I really hope you liked the video and you enjoyed watching it. Kindly write me in the comments if you have any question about these smartphones. Soon I'll be doing a detailed review about these two. So see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you will constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.